Hi, my name is Maxine Houston, and this is my script for my dementia disorder poster. Dementia disorder is a continuous neurological disease with various brain functions, including an individual's memory. Dementia disorder has become common among elderly people in the U.S. according to statistics. Over 5 million people in America suffer from dementia disorder. Approximately in 2020, 5.8 million people aged above 65 years old are living with dementia. The primary purpose of this research is to determine the major causes of dementia disorder among the elderly people in the U.S. Dementia disorder is most common among the elderly population, especially those aged above 65 years old. This research aims at utilizing the current advancement in technology to help determine the precise causes of dementia among the elderly population. The research will also utilize various scholarly materials from varied sources which offer an insight on various causes of dementia among elderly population. A study by Ulster Medical Society discloses this topic from an interesting view. The study tries to determine the correlation between age and dementia disorder. The study found out that one of the causes of dementia disorder in elderly people is Alzheimer's disease. In the U.S., the disorder is intensified by the frequent occurrence of vascular cognitive impairment among the elderly people. Dementia disorder is a prevalent problem among the elderly people in the United States. Currently, dementia disorder among the elderly is an alarming problem in the United States. Various studies show that there are various causes of dementia disorder accordingly. Dementia disorder has a complex nature and is triggered by various factors, including individual, social, psychological, and biological factors. However, all causes of dementia disorder among the elderly are controllable to different extents. In conclusion, the elderly people in America should have substantial support provided by therapists as well as family members to help deal with dementia disorder. Specifically, the support and guidance from psychological experts helps prevent the development of dementia disorder in elderly people. Thank you for reviewing.